Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Nissan Qashqai 1.5 dCi N-Connecta, finished in sleek black with a clean cloth interior and a fixed panoramic roof to elevate every journey. From the side, it's fitted with 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and that expansive panoramic glass roof, which floods the cabin with natural light. At the rear, the sharp taillight design and subtle roof spoiler keep things sporty. Front and rear parking sensors, along with a full 360-degree camera, make parking and maneuvering effortless. Powered by a 1.5-liter diesel engine, this Qashqai is known for its fuel efficiency and smooth, quiet drive. At the front, the Qashqai features Nissan's bold V-motion grille, sleek headlights, and a confident stance that's both modern and refined. Inside, the cabin is spacious and intuitive. You get a multifunction steering wheel, user-friendly infotainment system, and high-mounted seating for great visibility. Technology includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and full smartphone connectivity, giving you access to everything you need on the road. Keyless start adds a premium touch to everyday convenience. In the back, there's generous legroom and headroom for passengers, enhanced further by the panoramic roof's open, airy feel. And in the boot, the Qashqai offers a wide, practical space for luggage, shopping, or weekend gear, perfect for both city errands and family getaways. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration YE67LFG to book a test drive or request a personalized video. Tour.